Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Freshservice, and this is the best AI-powered ITSM and ESM solution software. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that can get you extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses onto the platform. Now, since this is an amazing platform for ITSM, you can see we have our ticketing system as well. You can see your overdue tickets that are displayed on your dashboard. So this is a really analytical type of software that you can see, and you also have your tickets that you can create yourself as well. From the left side of your screen you have your lists, and then you can simply onboard your employees. You can add on your problems so you can report them as well. Your changes, releases are basically also listed in here. For the tasks, you can simply add and manage your tasks in here as well. You can see everything is basically listed. You can customize them. And IT operations, you have your services, your assets, and all of those important tools are packed into this amazing platform. So make sure to give it a try. And also, if you are unsure about Freshservice, we have some reviews about it as well. Reliable and flexible ITSM tool, robust tool for IT, and much more. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description that can get you extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto this platform. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next one.